Have you ever opened a PDF only to see blank pages, strange symbols, or an error message saying the file cannot be opened? This can happen if the PDF was not downloaded properly, got damaged during file transfer, or was affected by a sudden power cut or system crash. Here is the damaged PDF file that shows an error. Instead of giving up on that file, you can easily repair it with Systweak PDF Editor. Its Repair PDF tool quickly fixes damaged files so you can open and use them again without any hassle. Before you begin, ensure that the PDF file's content are intact and its file size matches the original size before it was corrupted. Here is the corrupted PDF that is not opening. Now open it with Systweak PDF Editor. When you do, a pop-up window will appear asking if you want to repair the corrupted PDF. Just click yes and the PDF will be repaired and saved in the same location. Also, you can go to the Tools tab and click Repair PDF. Click the Add Files button to select the PDF file you are having trouble with. Once the file is added, click Repair PDF now. In just a few moments, your PDF will be repaired. Click OK and the fixed PDF will be saved automatically. Let's compare the results. Here is the PDF before when it was corrupted, and here is the same file after being repaired. So that's how fast and easy it is to repair a damaged or corrupted PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.